What's going on, guys? So we got our girls with us today. We're gonna be doing the Rock's leg workout with the birds.
Leg day with the birds. Let's get it. Hey, welcome back to another Pump Bros video. We're at Palm Beach Sports Club on Donald Ross.
You know, I'm with
my boy Finding right now.
Every day.
Hey, listen up. I need you to smash.
I need you to like
and comment on this video right now, all right?
All right, first lift, what do we got?
We got leg extensions, 4x20. The Rock does a shit ton of reps because we want those thunder thighs. Those thunder thighs.
Hey, that's no pump right now, but they're gonna be looking good.
Sheesh. We got Team Brunette over here doing the leg extension. Team Blonde over there doing their thing. And fine.
All right, Brooke just did 20 reps at 67.5 pounds.
Thank you.
That's my girl. All right, I'm gonna go for. I just did a set of 180 for 20, but it took me a minute and like 3 seconds. I'm gonna go for 160 right now. We got this cool screen that counts the amount of time it takes and counts the reps and the weight, so.
Yeah, well.
Hey, there's a lot of motivation when your girl's watching you lift.
Yeah, well. Look at those quads. Keep going.
32 seconds.
Good shit.
Hey, yo, this is war over here.
6.
There it is, come on.
8. 9.
Okay, so we're supersetting leg press.
With lunges.
Weighted lunges.
Hey, keep going. Hey, run, Forrest, run. Yo, man's still lunging. Not enough room here, between here. He's still going for it, Jesus. Hey, the Rock is taking us for a spin.
Wow. Yeah, the Rock's taking my push for a spin cycle right now. As you think, these lunges hit different.
Hey, you have a leg pump or a shoulder pump?
Yeah, so we got a little spontaneous push-up contest going on. I don't know how that happened, but there they go.
Brooke Bates Tour.
Wait, I can't know if it's stuck.
Yeah.
It's just really heavy. Is it stuck? See that? I'm not kidding.
Nah, something's wrong. Actually.
No, it's stuck.
No, it's not.
Yo, what?
You absolutely have to be kidding me. Yup, this is actually happening. I cannot believe it.
All right, ladies and gents.
Yeah,
we are,
so no hack squat in the gym. It's a brand new gym. They're still putting stuff in. But we can squat still. So we're gonna do that, 4x12.
we're taking our talents to the squat rack. This is where we get a view and a pump.
If you smell what the Rock is cooking.
Hey, listen, if your shorts aren't thugging your you're not wearing them short enough. Wow. That's...
Yeah, watch where that camera's pointing, Will.
Yo, that's exquisite form.
Hey, Will, why don't you go ahead and spot your girl?
Keep that update. This is really easy, and these guys clearly don't know how to lift. We're actually teaching them everything.
Squatted 250. They're doing about
Bench 315,
They're doing
6
about
times.
40, I think.
Yeah.
Something along those lines.
And they needed a, what was it called, a maxi pad? They need a maxi pad to squat, so it's pretty sad. We're teaching these boys what to do, so he's trying to give you an update.
And let
Killing
you
the
know
game.
what's up.
Yeah, we're teaching them what to do. We'll keep you updated with our lessons.
Subscribe, like the vid.
Hey, smash the subscribe button. Yep. So again,
Hey, this man decided to come over and take some reps out of our bench, out of our rack. Can't believe it. Hey, take a look at those. Take a look at those. Hey, rate my man's fits down in the comments below. Are his fits fire?
One Sancilio hit a new PR on the bench in a video. This is, well, close to Mrs. Sancilio. She's going for 135.
Hey, get to.
Some RDLs.
And like, comment, subscribe right now.
Hey, louder.
All right. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you go subscribe. All right. Pump rows are up next. Let's go.
And pump the system.
Okay, please tell me when to get ready.
Hey, coach her up, KB. Hey, KB's a certified gym bro.
Yes, man.
This doesn't look right.
Hey, this isn't that kind of a film, guys. Let's take it easy.
Yeah, we got hip abductions.
More like the good girl and bad girls. I've never done this.
You've never spread your legs open?
Maybe supersetting this with sex. I mean leg. This seems all too easy for Clementia. Yeah.
Hey, comment down below who wins, blondes or brunettes?
Alright, here we go.
Please don't drop me off.
We look like little jumping beans.
yeah, bro, have that.
Yo, Brooke's fat ass.
Yeah, I can do this all day, Will.
I know.
This is lightweight. Lightweight.
Oh my god. Okay, are we squatting? Oh my god.
Hold us for a second, we're ready to flex.
Okay, ready, flex.
That's so funny.
Good, keep going.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
All right, so basically they're turning off the lights on us,
and I think we should hide and stay here all night.
We're gonna stay here all night just getting a fat pump. What do you think about that?
Hey, I'm here for it.
All right, guys, so that concludes our leg day, our leg to rock day with the birds. It was a fun lift. We had some fun, as you guys saw. So we got one more thing for you, though.
We need you guys to like,
Comment.
and subscribe.
That's what's up.
Thanks for watching.